If you want to know whether a trend is strong or weakening, this one indicator gives you the full picture. Today we are going to break down the Guppy Multiple Moving Averages or GMMA, a tool used to read both short-term trading pressure and long-term investor sentiment in a single glance. What is GMMA? GMMA consists of two groups of exponential moving averages, short-term EMAs and long-term EMAs. Short-term EMAs 3, 5, 8, 10, 12 and 15. These represent short-term traders. Long-term EMAs 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 60. These reflect long-term investor behavior. When you plot them on a chart, you will see two bands of moving averages. The way they interact tells you everything about the strength and direction of the trend. So, how to read GMMA? Here is what to look for. When the short-term EMAs are above the long-term ones and spreading apart, the market is in a strong uptrend. And when the short-term EMAs are below and diverging from the long-term, that signals a strong downtrend. If both groups are close together or flat, it usually means the market is ranging or uncertain, not a great time to enter. So, how to trade with GMMA? There are a few smart ways to trade with GMMA. Let's explore. The first one is trend confirmation. Only trade when the EMAs are cleanly separated. You should avoid noise. Second is pullback entries. In an uptrend, wait for price to pull back to one of the short-term EMAs and bounce. That can be your entry. Third, reversals. When short-term EMAs cross the long-term group from below, it could be the start of a new uptrend and vice versa. Let's look at a chart example. See how the short-term EMAs push away from the long-term group. That expansion confirms the strength of the move. Later, the lines compress and the trend weakens. That's a warning to reduce risk or take profits. So, how to add it on Pi40? To add this to your chart on the trading terminal, click on the indicators button at the top. Then search for Guppy Multiple Moving Averages and click to apply it. That's it. You'll instantly see the short and long-term EMAs plotted and color-coded on your chart. Here is a bonus tip. GMMA works best on higher time frames, which is 1 hour and above, especially in trending markets. You can also combine it with tools like RSI or volume for more reliable signals. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading strategies like this.